Imagine controlling a computer with just your thoughts, or restoring sight to the blind. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But Elon Musk's Neuralink is turning this into reality. But here's the twist. Is implanting a chip into the human brain even legal? And what happens if it goes wrong? Today, we dive deep into Neuralink's controversial mission, the ethics of brain chip tech, and why this could change humanity forever. Buckle up, this is not just science fiction. It's happening now. Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk in 2016, isn't just another tech startup. Its goal? To merge humans with AI by developing ultra-thin brain chip implants. These chips, smaller than a coin, connect to 1,024 electrodes, thinner than human hair, directly interfacing with the brain's neurons. The dream? To help people with paralysis, blindness, or neurological disorders regain independence. In July 2024, Neuralink successfully implanted its second chip in a human volunteer. The first trial aimed to test safety, but the results hinted at a future where paralyzed patients could control devices with their minds. And in 2025, they plan to test blind sight, a chip to restore vision for the blind. This isn't just innovation, it's a revolution. But here's the burning question. Is this legal? In 2023, the US FDA approved Neuralink's human trials after years of animal testing. By 2024, the first 2 patients received implants. So technically, yes, it's legal, but critics argue the regulations are playing catch-up. How do you govern a technology that could read minds? Elon Musk claims the goal is medical, but skeptics fear a dystopian future. Could governments or corporations misuse this tech? Could your thoughts be hacked? The line between healing and enhancing is blurring, and the law is struggling to keep up. Let's talk risks. Surgery on the brain? High stakes. Even Neuralink's early trials faced setbacks, including animal deaths during experiments. And what if the chip malfunctions? Or worse, if hackers access your neural data? This isn't just sci-fi paranoia. It's a real concern. Elon Musk speaking. We're not here to control minds. We're here to save lives. Musk argues Neuralink will cure diseases, but critics warn of a new kind of inequality. Will only the rich afford superhuman abilities? Could this tech be weaponized? The Pentagon already tested similar brain-machine interfaces years ago. This isn't just about ethics, it's about survival. So where does this end? By 2030, Neuralink envisions a world where brain chips are as common as smartphones. Imagine downloading skills, sharing thoughts telepathically, or even merging with AI to stay relevant in an automated world. But at what cost? This is humanity's crossroads. Neuralink promises miracles, but also opens a Pandora's box. Will we evolve into cyborgs or lose our very humanity? Neuralink's brain chip isn't just a gadget. It's a seismic shift in human evolution. Legal today, but dangerous tomorrow? The answer isn't black and white. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Drop your thoughts below. Is Neuralink the future or a step too far? And don't forget to watch the full video, because the truth about your brain's next upgrade is stranger than fiction. Subscribe for more mind-blowing tech secrets.